All right, hi everybody. This is going to be a video to show you how to complete your project for week 3. You should be in your course. For this video, I'm using second hour, but you will want to get into your correct hour. You're going to click on week 3. You can see our overview, our attendance are all in here. For this video, I'm showing you this week's assignment, so I'm going to click on that. And in here, you're going to see a couple things. You're going to see kind of the PDFs or the research pages that you're going to use to complete your nutrient notes. Basically, the activity this week is kind of like a scavenger hunt. I'm going to give you some questions that you have to answer, and you're going to have to use these documents in order to find the answers. So the first thing I want to do is open up my packet. So this packet is going to look similar to kind of our setup last week with our slideshow. You're going to have some directions here. I've also given you a breakdown of what you should be working on each day. So depending on what hour you're in will depend on what you should be working on. But basically, there's a breakdown there for you to look at what you're working on. Pretty much it ends up being 2 sections of the packet for each of the days that you're supposed to meet next week. So if you're a Monday student, you would do carbohydrates and protein on Monday. On Wednesday, you would do vitamins and minerals. And then when we meet again on Thursday, you would do water and fats. So just make sure you check that so you're working on the right stuff each day. Let's click on My Document so you can see that. Once you're in My Document, it's going to open up the document of notes down below. So you're going to kind of see the notes. There is some directions in here if you need them. But the notes packet will open up here. If you don't want to work in this document, you can click on Edit up above here, and then it will open up the Google Drive assignment. So you can work on it from either section. It doesn't matter to me. I just like this bigger section when I work because I can see it easier. The next thing you're going to do is once you have it open, you're going to go back to your notes. So I'm going to go back into this week's assignment. I'm going to click on these resources, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to open in a new tab. Right click, open in a new tab, and I'm going to open up all 4 of these in tabs up at the top of my screen so that I can access them super easy while I'm filling this out. So again, here's the best way to consume notes, food sources notes, interesting fact notes, and main nutrient notes. And they're all up here for easy access. Then I'm going to go back to my actual project and I'm going to look at the first thing. So the first thing says, what is the function of carbohydrates? So if I look up here, I'm going to look. This one looks like it's all about the best way to consume. So that's not the right one. This one is food sources. So it's probably not going to be in there. This one is interesting facts. It's not going to be in there. But this one is called main nutrients and functions. So this is where you're going to find those answers. So here's carbohydrates and here's the function. It gives your body energy. So I would go back to my notes and I would type in gives your body energy. And you're just going to fill in the notes as you go. If you want to change the color so it's a little bit easier to know what's your notes and what's not, you could change that. You could also bring it down to kind of below the question if that makes it easier for you. And you would just continue going through all of the questions and using your 4 resources to find the answers. So again, all of these have answers for the packet. So you're going to, for the carbohydrates, you need to list 3 food sources that are complex and 3 that are simple. So if I go up into the food sources area, here they are, food sources that are complex, food sources that are simple. And you just need to copy down 3. So you can pick any 3 from here and any 3 from here. Then the best way to consume, there is a document called Best Ways to Consume. So you would look up your carbohydrates, best way to consume. Here it is, whole grains, beans, vegetables, and fruit. So again, I would type that in. Now I already forgot what it was, but whole grains, beans, vegetables, and fruit. And again, if I'd want to change my text color so it's easier for me to know this is the answer, you could do that if you want. And then 3 interesting facts. So you would open up the interesting facts document and boom, here's a bunch of interesting facts. You just have to pick 3. And if you scroll down, you will see all the other sections: protein, vitamins, minerals. So each of these things has all 6 of the nutrients in it. So you just have to scroll down. So again, best ways to consume. We have carbohydrates, protein. So again, just kind of scroll through those to get the answers for all of them. And that's it for Monday. Again, Monday or Tuesday, depending on what hour you're in, you're just going to work on carbohydrates and protein. Everybody on Wednesday is going to be working on vitamins and minerals. And depending on if you're in class Thursday or Friday, you will be doing water or fats those last 2 days. Other than that, when you are done with the assignment, so when you're done with it and your notes are 100% complete by the end of the week, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your document and then hit submit assignment. Okay, so make sure this is where you're submitting your assignment from. And that's it. By the end of this week, you should have your notes packet complete and you should have attendance put in for all 3 days of class this week. And that finishes you off for facts this week.